Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. Today we're taking a look at the Walthers Mainline 60-foot Pullman-Standard flat car. This is a Soo Line version. Let's pop it open here and see what comes in the box. So there's no paperwork or anything like that, but we'll double check it. The model is wrapped in film. This, I say, is a Soo Line edition of this car. Some separate underbody detail. Metal wheels, Walthers Protomax metal couplers are included, and the deck on this Soo Line is set off in a gray color. Walther's 60-foot Pullman-Standard flat car is based on a mid-1960s prototype, and cars of this style are still seen today. I see these all the time. May not be this exact type car, but certainly one that modelers can get away with having on their model railroad. This is an OTTX trailer train example. The car comes with this gray painted deck, and the upper structure is all molded plastic and essentially one piece. The brake wheel is about the only separate part, and it's added on the end there, as you can see. You could probably dress this car up a bit with a train line hose, coupler cut lever, those kind of things. It's a 70-ton car, so it rides on 33-inch metal wheels. This center spine section is die-cast metal, which gives the car a little bit of weight. 2.8 ounces is what I measured it to be at. This Soo Line example is a nice looking car. Again, the deck is treated with a different color to make it stand out some. It's a 1979 build date on it, and this trailer train car has a 1964 build date on it. There's several road names, and this car has been in Walthers mid-level mainline series for quite a while, so you can find these at times through Walthers or your hobby dealer at a good price. The model retails for $34.98, and checking the coupler height, you see there that it mates up well and within reason, so it checks out there. The model is equipped with metal Protomax couplers. Retailing for about $35, you'll find these at your hobby dealer. Check them out. They're available now. The Walthers Mainline 60-foot Pullman Standard flat car. That's what's in the box today.